Hello, my dear friends. Anyone is in live? Anyone is in live? Hello, my dear friends. Anyone is in live? Hi, Murli. Hi. Still anyone is in live? Anyone is in live? If anyone is in live, say me hi. Hi, Ashrik. Hi. Hi, Tej Koteshwar. Hi, hi. Hi, Chandrapraneet. Still anyone is in live? We'll wait for the few others to join. Then after that, we can start our lecture. Still any other? Still any other out there? No. Right. Now, my dear friends, I was going to start the session. My dear friends, if your content is clear and the questions which I was making you to solve here, those are more than enough. But if your content is not clear, then it will become tough for you. I hope it is clear. Right. No. My dear friends, if you know the answer, try to give me the answer. If not, give me the question mark. Don't take more than 1 minute. Okay? Try to solve very quickly. It is enough. It is enough, my dear. It is enough. Now, here, don't take the more than 1 minute. Okay? Be fast. I hope the video and the audio is clear for everyone. I hope the video and the audio is clear. Once you give me the confirmation that video and the audio is clear, whether the video and the audio is clear or not. Yes, right. Now, what is the answer for the given question? Considering the basic strength of the amines in the aqueous solution. Good evening, my dear Dinesh. Right. Now, try to give me the answer. Okay, this is the first question. This is the first question. Considering the basic strength of amines in the aqueous solution, which one has the smallest pKb value? Which one has the smallest pKb value? What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer, my dear friends? Considering the basic strength of the amines in the aqueous solution, which one has the smallest pKb value? If you don't know, give me the question mark. I am ready to explain. Chamora Pranit is saying 2, Asterisk is saying 3, Yes is saying 2. See, my dear friends, they are asking here, the question is on the basis of PKB. He is asking on the basis of PKB value. Now, here the Ka, if it is high, PKB is low. Means, sorry, KB if it is high, PKB means it is low. KB means strong base is asking. PKB means weak base, it is representing, but is asking the smallest PKB. When the smallest value of the PKB will be there, when the KB value is high, PKB value will be low. Indirectly is asking which among the following is a strong base is asking. Now we know in the aqueous solution, now aliphatic amines are more basic than the which one? Aromatic amine. This is aniline, right? Aniline is a aromatic amine. Compared to the aliphatic amine, aromatic amines are least stable because its lone pair of electron participate in the resonance. Right now, here next one we are having the methyl. Now, if the aliphatic amines, if they have given in the aliphatic amines case, this is a methyl, right? Now, 2-degree amine will have the more basic strength. Then next one, methylamine 1 degree. Next 3 degree, right? 3-degree amine. So the answer is 3. Answer is 3. Not 2. Answer is 3. Is asking smallest PKB. Smallest PKB value. It is nothing but indirectly is asking which among the following is a strong base. And if suppose ethyl, if they have given ethyl if they have given, in that we know 2-degree ethylamine is greater than 3-degree ethylamine greater than 1-degree ethylamine. This is very, very important. You have to be very careful. If the methyl they have given 2-degree greater than 1-degree greater than and 2-degree greater than 1-degree greater than which one? 3-degree. Hello, Pranit, hello. 2-degree greater than 3-degree. This is no. This is the first question only. No, my dear friend, this is first question only. Now be focused to the class. Clear? Now be focused to the class and try to give the answers, okay? Right? This is the first question. Clear? Now, which of the following the smallest PKB value? Now, indirectly is asking the right. Next. Now, 1-degree amines are possible for the given formula. Is asking how many 1-degree amines are possible for the given formula. How many 1-degree amines are possible for the given? How many 1-degree amines are possible for the given formula? How many 1-degree amines are? My dear friends, once again you cross check the answer clearly. How many 1-degree amines are? How many 1-degree amines are possible for the given formula? I was getting response from only one. I mean, you are saying that 1-degree amines are possible, or you are saying the option you say me, option A or option B, option C or option D. My dear friends, you say me either option A or option B or option C or option D. Two amines, only option B. Actually, no, the answer is D. Answer is D. 4 amines are possible. Now, first amine. Now, this is a first amine. 1-degree amine, right? Now, the second amine, it is possible. This is a second amine, right? Next, third amine, it is possible. My dear friends, you should not change your answer. Already you have given the answers. You should not change your answers. This is the third. And the fourth one, this is the fourth one. Clear? The answer is D. My dear friends, you should not change the answer. Already you have given the answer. Answer is, first of all, already I explained you very clearly. If the nitrogen, if it is directly attached to the two carbons only, then it will be the 2 degree. If it is directly attached to the one carbon, it is 1 degree only, I said. So the 1 degree amines are possible for the given formulas are 4, not okay, right. It is D. Answer is D. Right. Next one. Now the conversion of the amide into 1 degree amine by using the Br2 and the KOH. What is the answer? The answer is C. Yes. Now what is asking the conversion of an amide into 1 degree amine having the one carbon atom less by using the Br2 KOH? It is a Hoffman bromide reaction. That is direct question. Now the descent of one carbon will be happen. So the answer is C. Yes, yes. Good, good, good. Everyone, good. Good, good, good. Yes, good, good, good. Next. Right. What is the end product of the following reaction? What is the end product of the following reaction? What is the end product of the following reaction? What is the end product of the following reaction? Yes, yes, yes. What is the end product in this following reaction? Answer is A. No, you have to fix the answer and you have to say me. You should not say I will think, not thinking and all. Just to fix the answer and say me the. Just you fix it and say me the answer. See, NH3 and the H2O, if you take, what you will get? What you will get? You will get the double bond and here it the H. Now, this upon H2 in the presence of palladium, what it will become? It will become the primary amine. It will become primary amine. Yes, answer is A. Answer is A only. Don't get confused. Clear? Here, NH3 upon the heating as H2, it will be eliminated. Then after the H2 in the presence of palladium, now it will be reduce the double bond. Clear? Now it will reduce the double bond into the primary amine. So answer is A. Hmm. Right. Write the end product of the following reaction. Write the end product of the following reaction. Right. What is the end product of the following reaction? Indirectly is asking C. What is the C over there? What is the C? What is the C? Again, answer is A. Again, the answer is A. Yes. Now the first one, now the chlorine in the presence of KOH bay aqueous, KOH aqueous, it will be converted into the which one? Primary alcohol. Clear? Now, primary alcohol upon strong oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7, it will be converted into the carboxylic acid. Clear? Now again upon the carboxylic acid, upon NH3 heating, it will be converted into the which one? NH. No. It will be converted to the NH and here it is a OH. Now this one will be the H2 and the palladium. Clear? Right? Now this one will be the answer. It is A. Right? My dear friends, no, I was not here for any subscribes or anything. Just your success is enough for me. Your success is enough for me, my dear friends. Okay? Your success in your academics is more enough that it will give you 5k likes for me. Now, next, now the increasing, which of the following, write the following in the increasing order of the basicity. Is asking the correct basicity order. Correct basicity order is asking. Ah, right. Now, here the first one, aliphatic amines are more basic. Aliphatic amines are more basic. Then after the aromatic amines, right? Then after the aromatic amines, then after the next one, this one, it is having the minus M effect. Due to the minus M effect, it will become the least basic, right? Now, the answer is B greater than A greater than C. So option is A. Option is A. Clear? Option is A. Next one. Now see the option carefully and try to give the answer. The alkene as the major product in the above elimination reaction is. The alkene formed as the major product in the above elimination reaction is. See, this is aliphatic amine. This is aliphatic. Aliphatic amines are more basic. Aliphatic amines are more basic. Clear? Now the aliphatic amines are more basic. Then after that, aromatic, benzyl amine. Here the minus M group is there. Minus M group will decrease the stability of the which one? Conjugate acid. So just nothing. Indirectly is asking the basic strength is asking. That's it. Indirectly is asking the basic strength. Indirectly is asking the basic strength. That is a cope elimination. Good, Vinith, good. Answer is B. This is cope elimination. In this cope elimination, the base will readily abstract the which one? No. Answer is B. Answer is B. Right? Answer is B. Once you cross check year from year, it will be formed. Here the ethyl it is there, right? Ethyl. CH2, CH3. Here this one will be eliminated and the nitrogen, its lone pair of electron will be given very fastly. Clear? This nitrogen base will readily abstract this acidic hydrogen from here. Now here this negative charge, it will be delocalized. Now here it will be delocalized. Here alkene it will be formed. Right. Next. Now in the chemical reaction, the compound A and B are respectively. In the chemical reaction, the compound A and B respectively. In the chemical reaction, the compound A and B respectively. Now, in the chemical reaction, what? It is resonance stable. My dear friends, it is free. Here, base should be attract. Actually, this base will be attack. Here it is a bulky, right? Bulky. These all are bulky. Now, which is free? Which is free from the hydrogen? Primary, like half-mine bromide reaction. Sorry, half-mine elimination reaction type. You know the half-mine elimination, right? The base will readily abstract the terminal hydrogen, which is free, like that. Now, what is the answer? Answer is D. Answer is D. Answer is D. Here in the chemical compound, the compound A and B are. Answer is D. Answer is isocyanate, my dear friends. Isocyanate. Ah, yes, it is a carbolamine, and the answer is D. Not C. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Answer is D. Clear? Now here the dichlorocarbon is the intermediate, right? Dichlorocarbon. Next one. Now see the conversion and try to give me the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer for this question? B. Uh, he is asking which among the following will give you the phenol. Now, which of the following will give you the phenol? Answer is B. Answer is B. You are saying answer is B. Still any other? Still any other? Any other? Anyone trying? Anyone trying? Anyone trying? Yes, yes. Answer is B. See, to get the phenol, first it should be the nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene upon SnCl2 in the presence of HCl. SnCl2 in the presence of HCl. It is not SnCl2, sorry. SnCl2 in the presence of HCl, it will be converted into, now it will be converted into aniline. It will be converted into aniline. Aniline upon NaNO2, it will be converted into diazonium. It will be converted into diazonium. Diazonium's all right. Now diazonium upon H2O, it will be converted into phenol. Clear? Stephenson reduction is for aniline. Nitrobenzene reduction, and it will be converted into which one? It will be converted into aniline. Aniline upon azo compound. Clear? I hope it is clear for everyone. All right. Next one. Here, what is the answer? Hydrofluoric acid. Sir, hydroboric acid. Now, what is the answer we are getting? Mm. D. Yes, yes, good, good. Wall-Schmemann reaction. Answer is D. One is a benzene diazonium and one is a fluorobenzene. Benzene diazonium and the fluorobenzene. Right, good, good, everyone, good. Good, 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 good. Benzene diazonium and the another one is a fluorobenzene. Right, 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 right. Benzene diazonium and the another one is a fluorobenzene. Good, everyone. Right, right, right. Next one. Ah, see the math of following and try to give me the answer. Actually, the amines chapter is very easy. I was not getting any complicated questions. I was not getting any complicated questions. You guys read very carefully. And I hope your content is very clear. That's the reason you are giving very fastly. What is the answer? Answer is A. Answer is A. Done. Those are for the advanced level, right? Actually, I gave it for now. My dear friends, don't discuss among yourself. Try to give me the answer. Now, what is the answer? Here, Cu. Now I will write. Here the CuBr in the presence of HBr. Which reaction this is? And HBF4 and heating. Which reaction this is? Now this one is a which one? Ethyl alcohol. And the last one is a H2O. Last one is a H2O. Now the first one is a which one? Second one is a yes, yes. First one, no. My dear friends, CuBr and HBr, the first one is sandmeer. No, no, not the Getterman. First one is a sandmeer. Second one is the Wall-Schmemann reaction. Now the first one it will become the bromobenzene. Now the second one it will become the fluorobenzene. Clear? Now the first one 4 B and the B is 1 and the C is ethyl alcohol. Alcohol will readily generate the H plus and it will readily generate the H minus and it will go and here the answer is C and the last one will be the OH phenol. So D3 answer is A. Normal acid. This is acid, right? No, there is no any normal reaction. This reaction. Now here the acid will readily generate the H plus, right? It will go and attack. Now, next one. The optically active, my dear friends, now you see me. The optically active N reacts with the nitrous acid to give the CH5OH. The compound is. Now try to say me. What is the answer? Now try to say me. What is the answer? Now try to say. C3, C. Compound C5H3 and optically active reacts with nitrous acid to give the OH. What is the compound? Chiral center, it should be there. Chiral center, it should be there. 2-amino pentane. Clear? Now, here it is a hydrogen and here it is a chiral center. And here it is a chiral center. Hi, Divyansh. Hi. Clear? Now the answer is 2-amino pentane. Only the 2-amino pentane is only the optically active. Only the 2-amino pentane is only the optically active. The answer is 2. Next one. Next one. Now what are the answers for this one? One is HVZ. One is a Clemmensen reduction. Now C is diazotization, and D is Wolff-Kishner reduction. What are the answers? What is the answer? My dear Praneeth, you just wait. You don't say the answers, okay? Let others to try. Let others to try. You don't say the answers. Right. Now, if I ask you to say me the answer, then only you try to say me, okay? Still that time, you don't say. Just you try it by your end. Okay. Now, I know you are doing good, but let others also let them try. You have kept your video in the 2x and you are giving the answers first. Let others also let them try. Now the answer is 2 because HVZ we know. Now Cl2 red phosphorus, Clemmensen reduction, ZnHg concentrated HCl. Now diazotization, NaNO2 HCl, Wolff-Kishner reduction, hydrogen in the presence of KOH. Option only, I think so. Option A5, it is present in only option 2. Right. Good. Everyone, good. Next one. This is a one good conversion question. Now try to do it from your end. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is 2. EDCl. I was asking the final product. Final product I was asking. What is the answer you got? Right. Answer is 2. Now CaCO2, this acetylene, hydrolysis to give the acetylene upon the red hot tube, it will give you the benzene upon HNO3, it will give the nitrobenzene upon metal in the presence of HCl, it will give the aniline upon NaNO2 HCl, it will give the benzene diazonium chloride. Clear? Benzene diazonium chloride. Yes, good. Benzene diazonium chloride. Aniline is not the major product in the following reaction. Identify that reaction. In which of the following aniline is not the major product? My dear friend, I know you know the answers, but just the others also let them try. Now the aniline is not the major product in one of the following reaction. Identify the reaction. But in which one of the following aniline is not the In which one of the following the aniline is not the major product? Answer is B. For the first one, Zn and the Cl2, HCl. Aniline is not the major product in the following. Nana, NaNO2 to Z power. What? Alcoholic KOH. Still any other? Now, my dear friends, can any other still any other answers? You can give Praneeth, anyone, any other who are seeing the live. May I know what is the product you will get in the first? What is the product you will get it in the first? And what is the product you will get in the B? What is the product you will get it in the 3? What is the product you will get it in the 4? What is the answer? Right. Good. B is a diazobenzene, right? Right. Now, next. Now, acetyl oxime. No, reacted with phosphorus pentoxide to give. Now, what is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer you will get for this one? Acetyl. This is a acetyl oxime. Acetyl oxime upon phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide B2O5. Now, what is the answer you will get? Good, Divyans, good. My dear friend, good. Answer you will get it as a right answer. You will get it as a methyl cyanide. Right. Good. You will get it as a methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. This one, it will be the dehydrating agent. Now, as the HO2 dehydrating agent, as a HO2, it will be eliminated. Now, it will give you the CH3, C triple bond N. Here, right? Methyl cyanide. Dehydrating agent. Indirectly is asking the dehydrating agent. Right? Here the as the H2O, it will be eliminated. Now we'll get the ethyl cyanide. No, he is not asking the IUPAC. Ethyl cyanide means this one, right? Ethyl cyanide. This is a ethyl and this is a cyanide. If you included this one in the parent carbon chain, this one will become the ethyl nitrile. Sir, or ethane nitrile. It will become ethane nitrile. This is methyl, right? For the methyl, this cyanide is attached, so methyl cyanide. This type of the questions also they will make you confused. Next one. Now this one. In this reaction, what is the answer? What is the answer for this question? Two. Benzoic acid. Yes, yes, good, 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 everyone, good. Yes, the first one, this is a diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride upon the KCN, it will be give you the cyanobenzene. Clear? It will give the benzonitrile. Benzonitrile cyanide upon hydrolysis, it will give the benzoic acid. Cyanide upon hydrolysis, it will give the benzoic acid. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, my dear friends, yes, good. The answer is two. Answer is two. Right, right. An organic compound A upon reacting with NH3 gives B. On heating, B gives C. C in the presence of KOH reacts with Br2 to give primary amine. A is, what is the A here? What is the A here? What is the A here? Fourth. Answer is 4. Now, carboxylic acid converted into the acid amide. It will be converted into the acid amide. Acid amide upon the which one? Hoffman bromide reaction. The answer is 4. Good, good, everyone. Good. 4, 4, 4. Right, right, right. Next one. Ah, which of the following order is true regarding the basic nature of NH2 groups? Basic nature of NH2 group. Which of the following is true? Basic nature of NH2 groups. Now see the each and every option carefully and try to say me the answer. See the each and every option carefully and try to give the answer. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. See the options carefully. Orthotoluidine. This is orthotoluidine. Next one is a aniline. Next one is a aniline. Next one orthonitroaniline. Next one is a orthonitroaniline. Now we know here already I explained you very clearly that due to the which one SIR effect, steric inhibition resonance effect, any group if it is present, if any group if it is present at the ortho position, it is least basic. Ah, Yes, due to the Sir effect, due to the Sir effect, first one, aniline is having the more basic. That's the reason in the option 2 you can see, option 2 you have to be very careful with this one. So the option 2 is correct, right? Uh, Spelling is wrong. Where? Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, okay, okay. I made, okay, okay. Orthonitrile, right? Sorry, sorry. Okay, okay. Orthonitrile. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Okay, done. The answer is B. Okay, done. Oh, next. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer for this one? What is the answer? Answer is 2. Good, good, everyone. Good answer is 2. Answer is 2. Now the answer is 2, right? Mm. Now the first one here it is a NaNO2 nitrobenzene. After that aniline, aniline are found diazonium salt. Diazonium salt in the presence of H3PO2. Now that we will get the benzene. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Right, right, right. Good, good, good. Now next one. Now I want to ask you some interesting questions that for you that I will write some reactions. I will write some reactions. You have to say me the answer. Okay. First one. Now the second one. Now third one. Now fourth one. Mm, Now fourth one. Now fifth one. Right. Sixth one. Now the seventh one. Eighth one. Now the ninth one. Now how many of the following? Then how many of the following will give the Gabriel thalamide synthesis? I mean, how many of the following can be prepared by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis? How many of the following can be prepared by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis and what are they? How many of the following will be prepared by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis and what are there? Give the numbering. My dear friends, give the numbering. Give the numbering. Give the numbering. I mean, numbering in the sense how many of the following can be prepared. Only 1 and 6. Only 196. My dear friends, don't ask me. Just you say me your answer. Just you fix your answer and then you say me. Then I will say. Just you fix your answer and say me. Just you fix your answer and you say me. And what are there? I will just you fix your answer and say me. Just you fix your answer and say me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, my dear friend, don't say your whatever the answers you will get. 1 we can prepare, 2 we can prepare. My dear friends, the Gabriel thalamide synthesis is only Gabriel thalamide synthesis is the best only to prepare aliphatic amines. Only the aliphatic amines can be prepared. The two primary aliphatic amines can be prepared by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis. You have to be very careful. Only it can be prepared only the 1-degree amines, that too aliphatic, not the aromatic. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by the which one? Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by the which one? Gabriel thalamide synthesis. And the next thing, the whatever the amines we are preparing, that are only the aliphatic only. Now that two primary amines. So the first one can be reacted with the which one? 1-degree amine, and it can be prepared with the Gabriel thalamide synthesis. And the second one, cyclopropylamine, this is also 1-degree, it can be prepared. Clear? Next one, this is a aromatic aniline, or this is a aniline and this is aromatic. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis, so third one will not come. But here this is also one aromatic, that is clear. This is also, it is not. My dear friends, you are preparing for the JEE advance, sir. JEE mains as well as advance. Now here this is it is not the primary amine. Clear? 12th. JEE mains. Now fifth one we can prepare. Fifth one we can prepare. My dear friends, benzylamine can be prepared. Clear? Benzylamine can be prepared. Oh, fifth one we can prepare benzylamine. Sixth one we can prepare. Now seventh one we cannot. Eighth one we cannot. Only 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. Only the 1, 2, 5, 6. Benzylamine is a primary amine only, right? Benzylamine we can prepare. So the only the four we can prepare. Only the four we can prepare. So the benzylamine also we can prepare by the Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Only 1, 2, 5, 6. Yes. Only the 1, 2, 5, 6 we can prepare, and remaining we cannot. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for you. Done. Next. Next one. And the next type of the question, the same question, my dear friend, the same question. Uh, wait. I will change the question with the same options. Just to give me a 1 minute. The same question, just I will change the data. I hope you are able to see this. you can attend, my dear friends, you can attend. This is for the NEET also. NEET questions are also I brought. In the middle, I brought the NEET questions also. NEET, JEE means advanced, clear all the levels of the questions I brought. Okay. Now you can see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. And this is 9. And the next thing, the next question I was taking. The 10th is PHNH3. Okay. Now, my dear friends, out of the 10, how many, how many react, how many react with, now how many react with, how many react with, how many of the following will react with this reagent and followed by, KOH, H2. Now, say me, how many react with the, out of 10, out of this 10, now my dear friends, out of this 10, how many of the following will react with the following reagent as well as by the KOH? Yes, yes. Innsberg reagent followed by solubility. No, 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 no. Followed by KOH means indirectly is asking which among the following will be react with the Innsberg reagent and it will be soluble. Is asking how many of the following will be react and it will be soluble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not, 8 will not, 9 will not, 10 will not. Good, 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 good. Jain. Where you have said the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, good, good. Now you see 1 degree amine, it will be react and it will be soluble. 1 degree amine and this one it will be 1 degree amine, it will be react and it will be soluble. 1 degree amine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. One degree amine, it will be react and it will be soluble. And the next one, and the next question, I want to give you. The next question. In this only, 11, I will add one extra one reagent. The 12th one, I will add some extra reagent here. Right. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. Hi, hi, Satvik, hi. Now, how many of the following How many of the following will give the carboylamine test? How many gives carboylamine test? How many gives carboylamine test? How many of the following will give the carboylamine test? Innsberg test in a okay. Remember like acin. Innsberg test is nothing but acin. The meaning of acin. Now 1 degree amine react and soluble. 2 degree amine react and not soluble. And 3 degree amine not soluble. Not soluble. Now, how many of the following will give the carboylamine test? How many of the following will give the carboylamine test? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3. Carboylamine test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. And my dear friend, 11 and 12 also will give. 11 and the 12 also will give. 11 and the 12 also will give. This is methoxy. Paramethoxy aniline. Paramethoxy aniline. 12th option is paramethoxy aniline. 11th also will give the 1 degree amine. 1 degree amine it will give. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. Right? You have to be very careful with this one. What they are asking and what they are going to ask. Next one. The next one I want to ask the next question that now I will give the numbering. I will give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. No, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, among the 1 to 8, which numbering amine is more basic? Which numbering amine is more basic? I was mentioned the numberings, right? I hope it is clear for you all. If it is picture is not clear, just you say me. Once again, I will draw the compound. Just one arbitrary compound I was given. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. Right. Among the good. Now, among the given labeled amines, which amine is more basic? Which amine is more basic? Which amine is more basic? Yes, good. Fourth amine is more basic. Fourth amine is more basic. Clear? Why the fourth one is more basic? Because the fourth one is not participated in the resonance. Fourth one is not participated in the resonance. Now among the all the amines you have to cross check. The amine which will not participate in the resonance will be the more basic. We know that aliphatic amines are the more basic. Right. Okay, done. Now next question. I hope almost all the type of the questions we have discussed the almost. Hey, don't be okay. Now, next one. Uh, aniline upon aniline upon Br2 carbon disulfide. What is the products you'll get? Now, what is the product you will get? What is the product you will get? This is just a protection. Actually, while I was writing on the digitizer, due to some heat, it is getting some pain here. Actually, it is protect. My dear friends, many of the students are asking about the Lezines test. Wait, I will explain about the Lezines test. What is the meaning of the Lezines test? I will explain. Actually, that is now Lezines test is nothing but now listen. Now most of the organic compounds are covalent in nature, right? Covalent in nature. So this organic compound, in that organic compound, what is the meaning of the Lezines test means? In the unknown organic compound, unknown, one unknown organic compound, what we have to do, one unknown organic compound, here this is a one unknown organic compound. In this unknown organic compound, we have to add the sodium. We have to add the sodium. When we add the sodium to this unknown organic compound, then after that we have to heat. We have to heat. After heating, this test tube will become red hot. This test tube will become red hot. After becoming the red hot, we have to take the one mortar pestle, and in that this test tube we have to add it in this mortar pestle and we have to crush it. We have to crush it. After crushing, whatever the extract we got, that we have to filter it out. Clear? Now that filter it out. Now the whatever the filter we have extracted, that type of the test we call it as a Lezines test. Clear? That type of the test we call it as a Lezines test. Now what is the role of the Lezines test means? Making the organic compound covalent into the ionic compound. Because this is a sodium, right? Sodium, and by heating all, it will be converted unknown organic compound which was in the covalent nature, it will become the ionic nature. It will become the ionic nature because the covalent bonds will not be easily broken out, right? Clear? My dear friend, I will explain. Actually, I just passed that chapter. I thought to explain you more clearly what is the meaning of the Lezines test, what is the purification techniques, and followed by salt hydrolysis. Combiningly, I will explain. Uh, yes, making the covalent compounds into the ionic one is known as a which one? Making the covalent one into the ionic. Making the covalent compounds into the ionic compounds is nothing but Lezens test. Nothing is there. My dear friends, you will do the practicals in your second year also. while they are taking you to the practical, there you have to do. Mm, next one. Next one, I want to ask you one question so that it will be very clear for you. What is the answer for this one? Now you have to say me. If one bromide, when it is reacted with the NaCN, when it is reacted with the AgCN. Okay. Now, this A and will give B. This A upon H2Ni and this B upon H2Ni. What is the B here? Sorry, what is the C here? And what is the D here? What is the C here? What is the D here? Yes, azo compound and the ring containing nitrogen compounds will not be reacted. Which one is primary amine? Which one is secondary amine? My dear friend, which one is a primary amine? Which one is a secondary amine? I was asking C and D. I was asking the C and D. I was asking the C and D. Yes. C is the primary amine. Here it will become the A is what? C. Propane nitrile. Not propane nitrile. One to butane nitrile. C is 1 degree amine and D is 2 degree amine. Right. C is 1 degree and 2 is 1 degree. Right. Next one. Now I want to ask you one question. This question is very, very important. Be careful with these questions when they have asked it. We will give secondary 2 degree amine. This one will give you the isocyanate, right? This one will give you the isocyanate. This isocyanate upon hydrolysis, it will give you the secondary amine. It will give you the secondary amine. Now, here the Rx, X may be the fluorine, bromine, iodine. Now the Gabriel thalamide synthesis will be happen when the following of the X is. Now the Gabriel thalamide reaction happen very fastly when the X is. When the X is. Now say me the answer. The Gabriel thalamide reaction happened very fastly when the X is. Which one? Which is the X over there? Which X of the following the order of reactivity? Order of the reactivity is indirectly is asking. Order of reactivity. Why? Why? May I know? Why? Why only iodine? Why only iodine? Why only iodine? Gabriel thalamide synthesis is nothing but Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Which mechanism will be for? Good. SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism will be happen very easily. Okay, the SN2 mechanism will be happen very easily. right? SN2 mechanism will be happen very easy, very fastly. The SN2 mechanism will be happen very fastly, right? SN2 mechanism will be happen very fastly. The iodine is a good living group. Iodine is a good living group. Now, the next one, the next question I want to ask you. Wait, let me check. The whatever the questions I brought, it has been completed. So that's the reason I was framing the questions from my own. Wait, let me check the some other questions from any other. Should I end the live or should I give the questions? My dear friends, should I end the live or should I give the questions? It is up to you. If you ask me to give the questions, I will try it from my end to give the question. I was free only. There is no any work for me. I was free only. Just wait, let me try. Let me search any few questions. Few questions from any other. Better instead of searching the questions, better I will write the one reactions. Better conversion type. You say me the products for that one. Okay. Like this is a pH N2 plus Cl minus. I will write Cu plus HBr is 1. Second one, Cu plus HCl, it is 2. Right? Next one, Ki 3. Next, beta naphthol. Beta naphthol. I mean, if you don't know the IUPAC or if you don't know the reaction name, but most of the cases, the reaction names you know, try to give me, try to say me the answer. Okay. Now, this one upon CuCN gives 5. Now I will write a one conversion. Better these conversions you know. Most of the cases, these conversions you know. Just I will write a one conversion question. Now you say me pH N2 plus Cl minus upon Cu CN4 minus 3. Here Cu CN4 minus 3 plus HCN gives A, right? This A upon partial hydrolysis gives B. This B upon NaOH CaO heating gives C. Clear? C gives C. Next one. Next one. This A upon SnCl2 plus HCl gives B, not B, A, B, C, D. D it will give. D it will give. Okay. This D upon OH minus D upon OH minus gives D upon OH minus gives A, C, D, E. Clear? E and F. What is the E and what is the F I need here? What is the E and what is the F here? What is the E and what is the F here? What is the E and F here? What is the E and what is the F here? I hope it is clear for everyone. Ah, this is the one reagent only. This is the one reagent only. E is benzoic acid and F. And the F. If E is a benzoic acid, then what is the F? No, 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 no. Now what is the A here? A is a benzonitrile, not cyanobenzene. My dear friend, A is benzonitrile. This is a benzonitrile, right? Benzonitrile, upon complete hydrolysis, you will get the benzoic acid. Here you will get the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid upon soda lime. Benzoic acid upon soda lime. You will get it as a benzene, right? C is the benzene. Now A upon SnCl to HCl. What is the D you will get? D upon base. What the E and F you will get? No. At least you say me what is the D here. At least you say me what is the D here. At least try to say me the what is the D over there. No, this is complete hydrolysis, not partial hydrolysis. My dear friend, whenever the hydronium ion, if they have given, you have to consider that it is a complete hydrolysis. D is benzaldehyde, right? D is a benzaldehyde. Very good. D is a benzaldehyde. Now, after the D benzaldehyde, what is the E and F? Benzaldehyde upon base, it will give E and F. Good, good. D is benzaldehyde. Okay. D is benzaldehyde. Okay, it is okay. Now, what is the E and F? My dear friend, this is a very, very important reaction. You know, once again, just you try it from your end. D is benzaldehyde. This D benzaldehyde upon base, it is giving E and F. What is the E and F? Good, good, good. Jain, good. It is Cannizzaro reaction. You have to consider it as a 2 moles. Yes, yes. One is a benzyl alcohol, one is a benzoic acid. No, no, no. It is Cannizzaro reaction. Yes, yes. Good, 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 my dear friends. Good. Cannizzaro reaction. They will never and ever mention in the organic. They will play you like this only. They will not properly. They will not give you the base. That's the reason I wrote E and F. That's the reason I wrote E and F. Benzaldehyde upon the base, one it will give the benzoic acid and the one it will give the benzyl alcohol. You have to be very careful with this one. Cannizzaro reaction. In the conversion, they will ask you. In the conversions, they will ask you. You have to be very careful with this one. Okay? Huh? What darshan? What is the meaning of W question? W question means beautiful question. What is the meaning of W? I did not get it. Acha, acha, wow question. Okay, fine. Right. Hmm. Next one. Next one. The next question I will give you. Now, next question you try it from your end. pH NH2 plus Cl minus upon steam. Steam, it gives A. Okay. A upon zinc dust. A upon zinc dust gives B. Right. A upon zinc dust gives B. B upon concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4 gives C. Right. C upon Sn and HCl gives D. Right. Now D upon HNO2 gives E. Now E upon reduction, sorry, oxidation gives F. F upon uh, F upon soda lime, G. What is the G here? Now what is the G here? 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 A is phenol, B is benzene, C is nitrobenzene, D is aniline, E is benzene diazonium chloride. No, E is not benzene diazonium chloride. My dear friend, how come the benzene diazonium chloride will be oxidized? How come the benzene diazonium chloride will be oxidized? E is not the benzene diazonium chloride. My dear friend, E is not the answer what you have expected. E is not the benzene diazonium chloride. E is phenol. Ah, yes, good. E is phenol only. Pranit, E is phenol only. E is phenol. E is phenol only. E is phenol only. Yes, yes, E is phenol only. E phenol A. Yes, yes, E is phenol. E is the phenol. E phenol upon oxidation, it will be converted into carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid upon soda lime, it will give you the benzene. It will give the benzene. Right? Now, I hope it is clear for you. Plenty of the questions I was discussed. Now, I hope the time is also very high. It is becoming what the time? 11:30. Oh, sorry, 11:15. Okay, my dear friends, I will stop the session here. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you are having any concerns or any doubts, if you are having, you can ask. The remaining they can leave. If anyone are having any concerns regarding the concept or any questions, they can ask. If not, they can leave. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Okay. Good night. Good night. Tomorrow, biomolecules. Tomorrow we'll start the biomolecules. Tomorrow we'll start the biomolecules. Vikas. Hi, Vikas. Hi. Tomorrow we'll start the biomolecules. If anyone having any concerns or doubts or anything, if they want to ask, they can ask. Remaining, should I end the live? Should I end the live? After completion of biomolecules, we'll go with the uh, coordination chemistry. We will go with the D and F. We'll go with the D and F. Then after that coordination. After that physical. First organic done, then after that inorganic, followed by organic. Sorry, followed by physical. After the completion of the physical, again the first year chapters. Again the first year physical, again first year inorganic, again first year organic, and the complete revision. Like that it will go. No, first I will take the D and F, then after the coordination, because the D and F is interlinked with the coordination, right? So first I will take the D and F, then after the coordination. If I take the directly D, first directly if I take the coordination, that D block application is there in the coordination, right? Still anyone are having any concerns? Should I end the live? Yes, D and F. Should I end the live? My dear friends, should I end the live?